विकासा खातीर वावुरपी आनी प्रामाणीक लोकांच्या बरोबर रावपी संवेदनशील आमदाराकूच मंत्री करात। फाटले खेपे ज्या आमदारान आपले मंत्रीपद बरे तरेन सांबाळूंक ना ताका परत तेच मंत्रीपद दिवचें न्ही। तशेंच मंत्रीपद मॅरिटाचेर दिवचें, पावराचेर न्हय, जी एसआयएन मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन मागला।
परत एकदा मुख्यमंत्री म्हूण वेचून येयिल्ल्यान गोंय राज्य उद्योग संघटनेन प्रमोद सावंताक सदिच्छा भेटयल्यात। सावंतान फाटल्या 3 वर्सांत कठीण परिस्थितींत राज्याचें फुडारपण केलां। देखून फुडलीं 5 वर्सां जीएसआयन प्रमोद सावंत सरकाराक पूर्ण तेंको दिवपाचें जाहीर केलां। जीएसआयचो अध्यक्ष दामोदर कोचकारान सांगलां। तशेंच मुख्यमंत्र्यान प्रत्येक मंत्रालयांत लोकांचे प्रश्न सोडोवपा खातीर कागाळ समिती काडची। तशेंच जो मनीस भ्रश्टाचार करता आनी फायली हातावेगळ्यो करपाक कळाव लायता ताचेर खर कारवाय करची, कोचकारान मागलां।
Ministries are given, he should look at the competency of that person rather than giving the ministry based on the caste, creed and location wise, because finally Goa as a whole has to grow. The Goan economy has to grow. It is not that you have to satisfy one one caste or one location or representation, because finally the ministers are supposed to represent Goa as a whole, not as a locality. So this must be understood by everybody, and I think our CM Pramod Bab will listen to this. And at the same time I also want to make a statement, like last time we saw lot of corruption or bad management of the ministries in various sectors. So I feel that the same people should not be repeated, or same person should not be given ministries again and again, because they know how to handle and how to so I don't have to spell out everything. So it's better that it is given in rotation, so that we can really see some good things happening in Goa.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाले।